welcome back to my channel. It is spooky season and I am going to decorate my kitchen for Halloween. This is one of my favorite times of year. I'm trying to keep it very simple with little touches of glam. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. I purchased these fun witches hats off Amazon and I thought it'd be super cute to hang them from the ceiling. I have seen this on Pinterest and other decor accounts. I have not done this before, but if you head the link down in my bio, you can click everything you need for today's video. So these witches hats were picked up from Amazon. They're super inexpensive. You're going to need some fishing line. I used some paper clips and scissors and clear tacks. That's all you're going to need for today's tutorial. To hang the witches hats, we decided to cut a little hole in the top, inverted them, and then poked a hole through the top like that. We then inserted some fishing line to try and get them to go through the top, just like that. And then I added some paper clips as an anchor, so that way we had something to loop through the end of the witch's hat. I think it worked really well. We just attached it, inverted the witch hat, added the fishing line, and then pushed it through, and then we were able to have an anchor for the hat to hang so it didn't droop to the side. So you then loop the fishing line through the tack and then hang it to the ceiling. I spaced them out so they're nice and floating through around the island to fill the kitchen. Just like that. It took us a couple of times to space them out exactly how I wanted them. When I was looking at the kitchen head on, I wanted to make sure I could see them each individually. And look how cute that is, super simple. And like I said, these hats were very inexpensive. You just need the hats, fishing line, and tacks. And then like I said, I anchored it with a safety pin inside the hat to give it something to hold on to. I had some leftover baby's breath for my daughter's baby shower, so I thought I'd use them in today's styling, and I placed them in front of an outlet to hide the outlet. I then brought in these glitter pumpkins in my giant ginger jar. I had these gold twigs from last year and I attached some fun bats to it. I thought it gave it a great statement piece. Then added some black pumpkins. Once again, tried to keep this very minimal. Some bats on the backsplash. Super cute. Here's a little shot of my coffee bar. Once again, I tried to keep it super simple with some candy corn and just filled it in with some more baby's breath and some fun Halloween decor that I already had. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I thought the witches hats were super cute and fun. You can shop everything in the links below. Spooky season is in full effect. I also changed out the island. You can head to my Instagram for that, for a different styling. Hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. Check out my shorts for other Halloween and other fun tutorials. Thank you for watching.